Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will start exercise 10.1 question first. ठीक है देखो a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. You all know that traffic signal board is like a equilateral triangle. ठीक है, it is given, it is like a equilateral triangle. It is like a equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral triangle means देखो you all have seen है ना, it is becoming like this. School ahead, है ना? Sometime it is there. So this is an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. That is A, and this full is also A. ठीक है? Find the area of that signal board using Heron's formula. We have to find the area. We know that equilateral triangle area, that is root 3 by 4 into side square, मतलब a square because side is a, है ना? But this we will find by using Heron's formula. Yesterday I told you what is Heron's formula. For finding the area from Heron's formula, we will use the first S. S is the semi-parameter, that is sum of all side A plus B plus C and by 2. ठीक है? And our all sides are A. So in the place of A we will put A, in the place of B we will put A, in the place of C we will put A by 2. ठीक है? That is S. And S is equal to 3A by 2. Right? This is the semi-parameter. Now we will find the area. Area is equal to S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. ठीक है? S is the semi-parameter that we have already find, 3A by 2. So A equal to S is 3A by 2. 3A by 2 minus A is first side. 3A by 2 minus B is the another side, second side, that is also A. 3A by 2 minus C is also A. All sides are same na in equilateral triangle, that's why we will subtract A from this. ठीक है? After that, area is equal to under root of 3A by 2. 3A by 2 minus A is A by 2. Then again A by 2. Then again A by 2. देखो, we will check this. 3A by 2. 3A by 2 minus A is A by 2. 3A by 2 minus A, because we will take the LCM here. 3A minus 2A, A by 2. Here again 3A minus 2A, A by 2. Right? So it will become like this. 3A by 2, A by 2, A by 2 and A by 2. Right? Next, देखो 4A means A raised to the power 4 by 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. 3A raised to the power 4 by 16 under the root. ठीक है? We can write A square whole square, है ना? By 16 we can write 4 square. ठीक है? Square and root will cancel, so A square will come out and 4 square and root will cancel. 4 will come out because 16 square root is 4 and A raised to the power 4 square root is A square, and root 3 will remain, means 3 will remain as it is in the square root. So that is root 3 by 4 into A square, that we have proved that is the area of equilateral triangle, and this signal board is also same as that is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle area we know that is root 3 by 4 A square, but we have to prove by using Heron's formula, that now we have proved. Okay. After that, what is given? We have find the area. Now parameter is 180 centimeter, then what will be the area of the signal board? it is given that if parameter is 180 centimeter, means all sides sum is equal to 180 centimeter, है ना, that is given to us, means parameter is equal to 180 centimeter given. Parameter means sum of all side of the triangle, that is the parameter, है ना. So all sides are same, so that will be equal to 180. 3a is equal to 180. A is equal to 180 by 3, that is 60. Side came now 60. We have already proved this by Heron's formula. Now we will apply in the place of A root 60. ठीक है, so it will become area 3 by 4 A is 60 came now 60 square. ठीक है, root 3 by 4, 60 square is 3600. 4 9s are 36. So our answer is area is equal to 900 root 3. I think this is centimeter square. Yes, centimeter square. ठीक है, so it is centimeter square. This is our answer. ठीक है. So after that 180 centimeter given parameter. So from parameter we will find parameter is sum of all sides. Then A is came now 60. This 60 we will put in that area that we have first find out. So in the place of A we will put 60 here, that will come your area if parameter is 180 given. Then side came na 60. After that we will put the value of A there and we will get the area when parameter is 180 centimeter. I hope this question understand to all of the students. Now we will go to the next question. Yes. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? देखो, this is the flyover. You know that flyover, this flyover downside, this is given like this, है ना? That is the shape of a triangle. So first we have to find the area of this triangle and then we have to multiply this by 5,000 because 5,000 rupees per meter square. Area it is given means rupees given means per meter square rupees it is taking 5,000. So first we will find the area and then cost of 1 meter square, that we will find, and cost of how much area we have find, that cost we will find. And after that a company hired for the walls for 3 months only and it is given for per year. So we will find that of for 3 months how much rent did it pay, means 3 महीने के लिए वो कितना रेंट पे करता है, that we have to tell. ठीक है, so now we will do the solution. First we will find the area, right? Area, because triangle is given, all sides are given, so first we will find the semi parameter. Because we are using all sides are not equal, we are using the Heron's formula here. We can find any triangle area by using Heron's formula, right? Now we are doing again Heron's formula, we are using in this also. Side A plus B plus C by 2, that is the semi parameter. Any side we will give the name, that is A, that is B and that is C. So A is 122 meter, B is 120 meter and C is 22 meter. ठीक है, now put this, first we will find the semi parameter. A is 122, B is 120, C is 22 by 2. देखो 120 plus 120, 240, 240 plus 20, 260, 240 plus 20, 260, 264 by 2. 132 meter came, that is semi parameter. ठीक है, now we will find the area. That is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, that we will apply in this. ठीक है, ये हम यहाँ apply करेंगे. S came now 132, 132 minus 122, 132 minus 120, and 132 minus 22. These are the sides that we will subtract from the semi parameter. ठीक है, 132 132 minus 122, 10 and 12, and how much left? 132 minus 22, 110. ठीक है, now we will find the square root of this. So first we will find the factor of these. 132 factor we will find. Check once how it will come. 132, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 33s are 3 11s are. ठीक है, so factor of these are 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. 10 remains as it is. ठीक है, 12 factor 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, and 110 factor 11 into 10. Why we have taken 10? Because two 10 are there, one 10 we will take out. Now we will take out in from pairs. First we will make the pairs and then one element will take out, because we are taking the square root here. है ना? From these two will come out. This 3 and this 3, 1 3 will come out. This 11 and this 11, 1 11 will come out. This 10 and this 10, 1 10 will come out. ठीक है, and from these two 1 2 will come out. ठीक है, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 multiply 11, what will come? 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11, 2 3 1, 1320, 1320 meter square is the area. Now area came, है ना? Cost of 1 meter square, cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 5000, है ना? So cost of 1320 meter square is equal to 5000 multiply 1320, and this is it from year, so we have to find for 3 months. ठीक है, for 3 months rent will be, rent was 5000 into 1320 multiply for 3 months it is now, so we will have to multiply this with 3 by 12. ठीक है, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 0. ठीक है, so what will come? 0 0 0 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, or 1 16. So our answer is rupees 165,123,4. This is our answer. Now third question is, there is a slide in a park. Slide is, you know that, like this. One of its wall has been painted. So one wall want to paint in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. This message should be written over there, keep the park green and clean. ठीक है, if the sides of the wall sides are given, one this and this, 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. This is 15 meter, this is 11 meter, and this is 6 meter. ठीक है, find the area painted in the color. Find the area painted in color. So we have to tell how much area is painted in color, that we have to tell. ठीक है, so this is a triangle and it will become a scalene triangle. All sides are not equal, है ना? So that's why we will use Heron's formula here. Simple, that yesterday we have solved na same. Today only we will solve this question using Heron's formula. ठीक है, so solution we will start now. देखो 3 sides हैं, सबसे पहले हम सेमी पैरामीटर फाइंड आउट करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द सेमी पैरामीटर. ठीक है, दैट इज a प्लस बी प्लस सी बाय 2. किसी एक साइड को a लेट कर लो, वन साइड a, वन साइड b और वन साइड c. ठीक है, नाउ पुट दिस वैल्यू a, b एंड c. a is 15, b is 11, c is 6 by 2. 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 15 32, है ना? 32 by 2 16 came. So S is 16 now, है ना? Right. Now we will apply the Heron's formula, area formula, that is S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, right? So S is 16, 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 6. ठीक है जी, 16 and we will write like this, है ना, 16, 16 minus 15 1, 16 minus 11 5 and 16 minus 6 10, right? 16 into 1 into 5 into 10, that we have written, है ना. So 16 factor is 4 into 4, 1, 5 and 10 factor is 5 into 2 we can write. ठीक है, from these 4, 1 4 will come out. From these 5, 1 5 will come out. So 2 left inside. ठीक है, so it will be 20 root 2 centimeter or meter it was. Meter, right? So it is meter square. That is our answer. Okay, understand to all. Next we will do next question. Find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle we have to find whose sides, two sides are given. One is 18 centimeter and one is 10 centimeter. This is A, suppose this is B. C we have to find. And parameter is also given 42 centimeter. Okay. So solution we will do. First we will find semi-parameter. Semi-parameter means A plus B plus C by 2. है ना? And parameter is already given to us, that is 42 centimeter. है ना? Right? And semi-parameter is half of this 42 by 2, that will be 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Semi-parameter is 21. But we need third side also, because we will subtract na S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we can find from this also, parameter is given 42 and parameter is sum of all sides, that is 42. है ना? A is 18, B is 10, C we don't know. C we have to find. ठीक है? C is equal to 42 minus 28. What will left? 12 minus 8, 4. 3 minus 2, 1, 14. Right? C came now 14 centimeter. Now we will apply the area formula, that is S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S is what? 21. 21 minus A is 18. 21 minus B is 10 and 21 minus C is 14. ठीक है जी. What will come after that? 21 and 21 minus 18, 3. 21 minus 10, 11 and 21 minus 14, 7. है ना? Again we will check once. 21, 21 minus 18, 18 or 3, 21, 21 minus 10, 11 and 21 minus 14, 7. ठीक है? This I have written only. Right? Now make the factor of this. 21 we can write 7 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 7. So make the pair 7 into 7, 1 7 will come out. From these 3, 1 3 will come out. root 11 will remain as it is because nothing is there, right? So 7 3s are 21 root 11 meter or centimeter, that is centimeter square. That is the area of this triangle that we have to tell. Again I am telling this, find the area of the triangle whose two sides are given. If two sides are given, we will apply, and one more thing is given, that is parameter. है ना? From we will use this parameter and we will find the another side. So parameter is sum of all sides. From there we will find the value of C, that will come 14 centimeter, right? Now parameter 42 given, so semi parameter is the half of parameter, so 42 by 2 21 will come. ठीक है? After that area we will find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So we will apply S is 21, 21 minus 18, 21 minus B is 10, 21 minus C is 14. 21, 21 minus 18, 18 plus 3 21 and 21 minus 10 11 and 21 minus 14 7. So this only I have written. Okay. After that we will make the factor of this 7 into 3, 3, 11 and 7. This from these two 1 7 will come out, from these 3 1 3 will come out, rest 11 left in square root. So it will remain as it is in square root. So answer is 7 3s are 21 root 11 centimeter square, right? Our next question is, sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25. We are having a triangle whose sides ratio is given. Side are not given, their ratio is given. Okay? So suppose this is a triangle ABC. One side is A, one side is B, one side is C. Okay? So side ratio is given. We will write first side. Okay? A is equal to 12x. We will take x with it because ratio is given. That's why something we will take and we will let this is side A. Okay? And B is 17x and C is 25x. These are the sides of the triangle. Okay? Parameter is given. Parameter given na, that is 540 centimeter. And what is the parameter of triangle? Sum of all sides is equal to 540. All side means all side sum means 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. ठीक है जी? अब देखो how much it will become. 17 plus 12, 7 or 2, 9, 9 or 5, 14, 4, 2 or 2, 4 or 1, 5. 54x is equal to 540. X value equal to 540 by 54, that will be 10. ठीक है? This 54 will come down. X value came 10 centimeter. ठीक है? X value came now 10. Now put the X value here. You will get A value. A is equal to 120, B is equal to 170 and C is equal to 250. These value came ABC, means sides came now in centimeter. This and this. Okay? Now we will apply the area formula, that is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay? What is S? S is 540 by 2, है ना? Because parameter is 540 given. So semi parameter is parameter by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 270. So S is 270, right? 270. 270 minus A. What is A? 120. 270 minus what is B? 170. 270 minus C. What is C there? 250. Right? Correct now? 270 minus 120. 150. 270 minus 170. 100. And 270 minus 250, 20. देखो We can make the factor like this: 3, 3, 3, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 into 10. 3 into 5 into 10. 10 into 10, and here 2 into 10. देखो, how many 10 are there? 1 and 2. From these two 10, 1 10 will come out. From these two 10, 1 10 will come out. ठीक है? From these 3, 1 3 will come out. This and this 2 3 are there, 1 3 will come out. And 5 and 2 left. 1 3 will come out from this. 1 3 will come out from this. 10 10 10 10 4 10. 1 2 3 4 5 10 are there, right? After that we can write this 10 5 into 2. ठीक है जी? 5 into 2 we will write. So from this 5 and this 5, 1 5 will come out, and this 2 and this 2, 1 2 will come out, right? 1 2 3 4 0 are there, then how 5 came? 10 150, this 10, 100, right? 2 10 of 100, that's why. Okay. Now what will be the answer? 3 3s are 9, 9 10s are 90, and this will be 9,000 centimeter or meter? Centimeter square. This is our answer, right? Again I am telling this. देखो, 3 side ratio is given. If ratio is given, we will take any element with it, and then we will put that A side is 12x, B side is 17x, C side is 25x. ठीक है? Parameter is given 540. So first we will find the value of x using this parameter. Parameter sum of all side is there. So we will add these all sides, then x value will come, that is 10. ठीक है? Now we will put x value in these all sides. A will be 120, B will be 170, and C will be 250 centimeter. Now parameter 540 given, and semi parameter is the half of the parameter. So half of parameter means 540 by 2, that will be 270. ठीक है? Semi parameter came. Now our area formula is S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. S is 270, 270 minus A means 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, and 270 minus 250. So 270 minus 120, 150, 100, and 250. ठीक है? Now it's your choice. 1 2, this from this 100 you can take 110 out. Then 1 from these 210 you will take 110 out. 20 you can take the, means it's up to you only how you will take the factors. From these 2 factor 1 you will take come out, because square root is there, है ना? So I have taken the factor like this: 27, 3 into 3 into 3, and 10, because 10, 20, 30, 40. From these 40, 100 will come out, है ना? 120 left, so we can write 4 into 5, that also. So it's up to you only how you will make the factor, it's your choice. ठीक है? So 27 is this, and 10 I have taken like this only. 153 into 5 into 10, 110 into 10, and 22 into 10 I have written. ठीक है? देखो, this 10, 110 out. From these 2 10, 110 come out. Now from these 3, 1 3 come out. This 3 and this 3, 1 3 will come out. Now what is left? 5 2s are 10, and this 10 is also there. So 110 will come out. ठीक है? So what will, 3 3s are 9, and 1 2 3. 3 zeros are there, so it will become 9,000 centimeters square. That is the answer of this question. So I think this exercise completed. This chapter is also completed. I hope these whole question understand to all of the students. So one more exercise is there. One question left. So this also we will complete right now. Otherwise tomorrow we will complete. So I hope these whole question understand to all of the students. Okay, thank you for watching this video.